Currently, there is a sense that medical physicians in the private practice primarily focus on patient care without having an interest for clinical research. Many physicians are convinced that clinical research is only for large hospitals and health institutions. Little do they realize there is a large demand for medical doctors to participate in clinical trials as principal investigators. Why is there a demand for principal investigators? Physicians have an insight to huge volumes of medical cases. Potential subjects are easily recruited with the help of a medical physician. Research questions or concerns can easily be resolved by the patient's doctor. Why participate in clinical trials? Clinical trials provide a way to pool controlled observations in an objective and scientific way. Clinical trials give doctors an opportunity to be a part of cutting-edge, innovative medical research. Researchers have the chance to become co-authors of articles submitted for publication. Participation in clinical trials adds prestige to a medical physician's practice or institution. Patients who participate in clinical trials receive high-quality health care. There is a large reward in adding to the advancement of science and medicine. Basic requirements to become a PI. It is vital for the investigator to have knowledge in the area being studied. Having the knowledge of study designs and statistics is beneficial but not required. A principal investigator needs to have an understanding of ethical issues regarding the safety and well-being of the participants. They need to have passion, desire, and dedication to efficiently participate in a clinical trial study. We will team up with medical physicians who run busy practices. We will be able to provide potential principal investigators with an efficient and tidy medical research facility that is over 4,000 square feet, certified staff members with years of experience in clinical trials, qualified and experienced clinical research managers and coordinators, proper and adequate business infrastructure along with timely and reliable transportation services for patients. And last but not least, repute in conducting clinical research. We resolve to always conduct research with the utmost integrity. We will continue to be an exemplary model of how clinical trials should be run. We will aspire to expand our network both locally and abroad. We will work with our sponsors to help chart a new medical tomorrow. Infinite Clinical Trials provides clinical trial-related services to pharmaceutical companies, contract research organizations, biotechnology companies, and medical device companies. We have a qualified and experienced team of clinical research professionals who understand the intricacies of conducting clinical trials. Our principal investigators have more than 20 years of combined experience working specifically in the healthcare industry. Infinite Clinical Trials is an independent, private company that is dedicated to developing the newest medical treatments. We are conducting clinical trials in accordance with good clinical practice guidelines. Working with pharmaceutical companies throughout the world, we offer new therapies to our community. Our clinical trials offer hope for people with unresolved medical problems. Our research helps to uncover better ways to treat, prevent, diagnose, and understand human diseases. Our team includes investigators, sub-investigators, highly qualified clinical research coordinators, and associates who are bilingual, experienced in different phases of clinical studies, and are proficient in data entry. Our team at Infinite Clinical Trials is dedicated to working with our sponsors to execute protocols in an ethical, timely, and compliant manner. By following all regulatory, legal, and moral guidelines, we provide the high-quality data that will allow novel medical therapies to be properly evaluated. Our commitment to excellence in research will contribute to innovations in medicine which will enhance the care of our patients. At Infinite Clinical Trials, we offer permanent medical care, high-quality assessment, CRC certified staff, assurance for accurate data, adherence to protocols and guidelines, good clinical practice quality, and quick recruitment to meet the sponsor's timeline. We specialize in all phases of clinical trials. Our focus is in neurology, psychiatry, internal medicine, gastroenterology, rheumatology, dermatology, endocrinology, infectious disease, women's health, and many others. For more details, visit our website www.infiniteclinicaltrials.com.